In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down list in Monday.com efficiently. If you've ever needed to streamline your workflow or organize your tasks on Monday.com, then adding a drop-down list might just be the thing you need. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to Monday.com, open your browser and navigate to their site. If you're already using Monday.com for your project management, you probably have a shortcut. Once the site is open, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll find the login option, just click on that to begin accessing your account. If you have a Google account linked to Monday.com, you can simply click on the Sign in with Google button, providing a quicker access to your workspace. Otherwise, you can type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account and proceed. Now say you've opted to sign in with Google, a window might pop up asking you to select which Google account you'd like to use. Choose the one associated with your Monday.com account to proceed. If you're signing in with an email and password, simply enter them as prompted. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board you want to work with. This is where we'll be adding our drop-down list. You'll see your familiar board layout, with columns containing various information. Move your cursor to the last column. You'll notice a little plus sign button. Click it. Doing so opens up a menu with various options. From this menu, look for drop-down and click on it. Congratulations, a drop-down column is now added to your board. This might seem like a minor change, but it can make a significant difference in enhancing your board's functionality. You'll want to add items to your drop-down list to make it useful. To do this, click inside the cell of your new drop-down column. This action allows you to start typing out the options you'd like included. Let's input a label, type your desired label into the text box provided. After typing, select Create as a new label to officially add this label into the drop-down column. Repeat this step as necessary. For every option you want in your drop-down, simply type it out and create it as a new label. Once you've added all your desired labels, click on Apply to save your selections. And what if you want to make changes? Easy. Click on Edit Labels if you need to make any modifications to the labels you've created. Now you're equipped to add the options to any row within this column. Adding a drop-down list in Monday.com is an excellent way to organize varying categories or statuses within your board. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you better manage your tasks on Monday.com. Happy organizing.